everyone, WAEC Maths tutorial. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use combination to expand binomial correctly and quickly. A binomial theorem states that x plus y is power n is equals to summation n to r is equals to 0 into n combination r times x raised power n minus r y raised power r, where the n is the power of the binomial. The first term of the binomial here, the power of the first term of the binomial begins to reduce or decrease, and the power of the second term of the binomial begins to increase. Then the formula for the combination, because we are using combination to expand the binomial theorem. So the formula for n combination r is n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. Let's solve this problem. Let's expand x plus 2 raised to the power of 3. So we are going to be using this formula. So here, our x is x here, our y is 2, then our n is 3. So here, we are going to start from r. We are going to start from 0. So our r now, which is the number of terms, we are going to start from what? 0. That's the first term. So if r is equal to 0, we now have n combination. Our n from the question here is 3. Then already our r is 0, which is this first term starting from 0, times x raised to the power of 3. So because it is raised to the power 3, of course we know that our n is 3 minus the first term, which is 0. So n minus 3 minus 0 is 3. So then we have the second term of the binomial, which is 2 raised to the raised to the power of what? 0, because here we have our y is equal to 2. So if y is having a power of r, then and our y is equal to 2, then our 2 will have a power of what? Of 0, because r is equal to 0. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 0. Then if r is equals to 1, we have 3 combination 1. Then our x will decrease, and our y, that is 2 raised to 0 with the power of 2, will increase. R is equals to 2. Then we'll have 3 combination 2. Then the power of x will reduce. Then the power of 2 will also increase. So r is equals to 3. That's the fourth term. We'll have 3 combination 3. So x raised to 0. Then the power of 2 will also increase, which is 2 raised to 3. So here, let's simplify each of the term. So simplifying each of the term, of course, we know that 3 combination 0, using this formula, will now be 3 factorial over 0 factorial into 3 minus 0 factorial. So here we have 3 factorial over 0 factorial, 3 factorial. This will cancel this, so here everything becomes 1. So 1 times x raised by 3 is x raised by 3. So x raised by 3 times 2 raised by 0 will give us still x raised by 3 because 2 raised by 0 is 1. So here we have 3 combination 1. So 3 factorial over 1 factorial times 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2 factorial. So here I can write it as 3 times 2 factorial over 1 factorial, 2 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel 2 factorial. Here 3 over 1 factorial is the same thing as 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times x raised by 2 is 6x raised by 2. So in the third term here, we have 3 factorial over 2 factorial. Now 3 minus 2 will give me 1. Therefore, I can expand this as x raised times 2 factorial over 2 factorial, 1 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel 2 factorial. So 3 over 1 factorial is the same thing as 3. So 3 times 2 raised by 2 is 12. So 12 times x will give me 12x. So the last term now, we have 3 over combination 3. So we have 3 factorial over 3 factorial. 3 minus 3 is 0 factorial. So this will cancel this. So 1 over 0 factorial is the same thing as 1 as 1. So 1 times x raised by 0 is 1. So 1 times 2 raised by 3 will give us 8. So here we write all the terms. So we have x raised by 3 plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8 is the expansion of this binomial. So if you find this video helpful, please like and share by clicking the button below my video. Thank you.